Not one, not two, but five high street lenders have just announced they're going to be repricing a number of their mortgage products. So let's cover off who's changing, why they're changing, what it means for mortgages, and if you're about to get a mortgage or have just got a mortgage recently, how this will impact you. So let's get into it. So what's actually fueling these rate cuts, and will other lenders follow suit? Well, at the moment in time, the positive news and takeaways we've got is swap rates, which heavily influence the price of mortgage deals, have continued to trickle down over the last week or so. And ultimately, demand for mortgages slowed. While rates are high, less buyers are about, and lenders are now fighting it out to try and win some business and lure people in to take a mortgage with them. So who are the lenders that are actually cutting rates then? Barclays from tomorrow are cutting rates on 21 of their products, with the biggest cut I saw across the range at 0.43%. Skipton from tomorrow cutting rates across the whole product range, with the biggest reduction we saw at 0.38%. NatWest from Friday cutting products across their existing and new customer product range, the biggest reduction we saw at 0.19%. TSB from Friday, and the biggest win is going to be buy-to-let product range, the biggest cut we saw at 0.8%. And their product transfer range, some of their products will also be changing by up to 0.15%. Coventry BS from Monday will be cutting again a number of their products across their range, but we haven't got the exact figures of how much they'll be reducing by until they release that guide on Monday. Will other lenders follow suit? Time will certainly tell, but the concerns we've still got is the conflict still continues in the Middle East, so it does remain on a knife edge. Now, our key takeaways are going to be, if you secured a rate in the last couple of weeks with one of these lenders, it's worth revisiting to see if now a cheaper rate will be available. And ultimately, if you've been putting off buying a property because rates have been elevated, could now be the time to make that jump and revisit your mortgage options.